Hello everyone, and in today's video let's take a closer look at the budget-friendly charger for your GoPro camera from HSU company. So this accessory in here is in fact called 3-pack replacement battery and triple charger, and that's exactly what we can find inside of the package. So what we got inside of the box are 3 rechargeable GoPro batteries that are compatible with GoPro Hero 11, Hero 10 and Hero 9 Black. Additionally, we have 3 plastic cases in which you can store your batteries. This way you can protect them from dirt or humidity. Next, there is a USB-C charging cable. And lastly, and I think the most important one, a charging station that can be used as a storage case to protect your batteries when you put them inside of it. With a protective case such as this one, you can simply toss it into your camera bag and you are certain that your batteries are protected and everything is in one place.
Alright, but why this particular option might be interesting for you? Well, I think it's all about the price, because HSU charger costs only around $45, and for that price you can only get like 2 official GoPro batteries without a charger. So that being said, for that price you have 3 GoPro batteries and a GoPro charger. So we shall see if it's worth your money.
You know, a triple charger like this one is always something handy, especially when you are on the go, traveling somewhere. You can quickly connect it to a power supply, like a power bank, and basically charge 3 batteries all at the same time.
You know, the thing is that without a charger like this, you will have to charge your GoPro batteries in a traditional way, meaning inside of your camera. And believe me, that can take a while because you have to wait until this battery is fully charged. You have to replace it, put another battery in. It simply saves you a lot of time because you don't have to replace your battery, you don't have to reconnect anything, none of that mess. You simply plug 3 batteries inside, connect it to a wall charger and you're done. And what's the best part about it is that you can still use your camera, so in a way, you are not so limited because of that.
If you take a closer look at the back of it, notice that there is a USB-C port for charging. Unfortunately, HSU charger doesn't support fast charging method and it takes roughly around 2 or 3 hours to fully charge 3 batteries inside of it. So when you insert the battery inside of it, a red LED light means that the battery is still charging. A green LED means that the battery has been fully charged and is ready to use. Alright guys, so I think it will be quite interesting to see how well HSU batteries perform against a GoPro standard battery and Enduro one. In case you didn't know, GoPro Enduro Battery is the improved version that offers more recording time and lasts longer in cold environment than a standard GoPro battery. So that will be quite interesting to see how they perform against each other.
So as you just seen, GoPro Hero 11 Black in 5K 60 with Enduro Battery managed to record a video for almost an hour, whereas HSU battery managed to record for only half of that time. What's interesting is that the standard battery from GoPro recorded for just a few minutes more than HSU did. Considering that you still got 7% battery life inside of it, I would say that these batteries are quite similar. But obviously, GoPro Enduro Battery is the clear winner in this test. This thing is more expensive, but it's totally worth it. Typically, when it comes to non-official GoPro batteries, it's always worth to check if they are fully compatible with your camera. I tested these batteries with GoPro Hero 9, 10 and 11, and for the most part of it, they were fine. However, what I can tell you is that what I personally experienced is that you cannot be sure about your battery percentage. You cannot rely on that with these batteries. I had like 100% battery charge for a very long time, and then it suddenly just dropped to a much lower value. Or when I was having, for example, 1% charge, meaning that my battery is completely dead, I just kept recording. So yeah, while these batteries are perfectly fine, there's nothing wrong with them, it just, you cannot trust the battery percentage when you use them.
So, to summarize it all now, HSU triple battery charger costs around $45, and what you get for that price are 3 rechargeable GoPro batteries and a triple charger. The official battery charger from GoPro is in fact a dual battery charger, meaning it can only charge up to 2 GoPro batteries simultaneously. Depending on where you live, you can either get an old version, which only comes with 1 battery, and costs around $60. If you manage to get it with Enduro batteries, then you're gonna have like 2 Enduro batteries inside of it, but still it's gonna cost you around $60. So it's gonna be a little bit more expensive than what we got here. So in other words, guys, I would say that this is a very interesting option if you are on a budget and would like to save up some money. Not only you get 3 GoPro batteries for your camera, but you can also charge it much faster. Alright guys, so I think that for today's video that's it. I hope you really liked it, enjoyed it, and you learned something from it. And if you did, then all I can ask you is to give this video a thumb up and subscribe. This way you help me grow this channel by a lot. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you guys in the next one.